Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Aquarius air sign. For the month of September, this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see what are the messages for you, Aquarius. Judgment. Three of Pentacles. Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, things are turning in your favor, Aquarius. Definitely you are making a major decision. Already you made. Judgment. Yeah, things are turning in your favor. I think you person want to work on this relationship, or you. If they don't, you made decision something regarding that. So let's see. Yeah, Five of Pentacles, separation for some. See, two cards pop. Three of Wands and Six of Swords. This could be long distance relationship and the waiting game. In this connection, waiting game, one person is waiting for the other person, and this could be long distance relationship also. Two cards, the Hierophant and the Eight of Cups. Definitely there is separation, most of you. And the Hierophant, one person is waiting for commitment, but other person is not giving that. One person is very committed in this connection, but other one is not. Energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation. Moon, your person could be Pisces. There are lot of things are hidden in this connection. You maybe hide something from your person, or your person maybe hide something from you. Definitely something. Yeah, Seven of Pentacles. I think you could be investing in this connection more than your person, and you are waiting for your results. Yeah, waiting game is here. The Tower. Yeah, something. Tower moment is going to be happen. And King of Pentacles. Another deck, Queen of Pentacles. I think your person want to offer this commitment to you, or you want to offer commitment from your person, but it will take only after the Tower moment between both of you, because you will take a major decision regarding this, because you are fed up with waiting. So let's see your person energy, what they are up to right now, Aquarius. Yeah, Knight of Swords. They want to come towards you, but what? Strength. Your person could be Leo. Yeah, they are gaining strength to come towards you. Seven of Swords. Yeah, there is some miscommunication and false communication, some mind games, some sneaky energy from your person side. Yeah, your person feeling very burdened. Ten of Wands. See here, the Devil. Obsession. You could be obsessed with your person, or your person could be obsessed with you, or your person may be addicted to some bad habits. You or your person could be Capricorn, or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, Six of Pentacles. There is no equal give and take. One person investing in this connection more than the other person. But under the deck, Ace of Pentacles. It will come, but when it will come, we don't know. It will take days, months, weeks, depending upon your situation, because every one life is different from other. Six of Cups. Yes, definitely you both have strong soulmate and past life connection. That's why you both, when you both are separated, fear you both will reunite, because you both feel this strong connection with each other. The World. Under the deck, yes, some cycles are going to be end between both of you. So your person want to communicate you, but be careful, because Seven of Swords is there. This could be false communication, like manipulating, like that. Yeah, King of Swords. One person in this connection is very straightforward, very honest. I think it could be you, Aquarius. Ace of Cups. I think it some new love is also coming for some, but it is also self-love. You love yourself more than. And under the deck, Page of Pentacles. Yes, communication. Your person want to communicate. I am getting communication. And the Chariot. Yes, your person want to take things forward, but there is some Five of Wands. Some disturbances still there between both of you. First, you have to clear that energy to move forward with each other. So definitely you made decision. You are going to make some decision. Yeah, you both have strong soulmate connection. Still, you have to take decision wisely because the devil is here and seven of swords is here. It's up to you, Aquarius. This is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.